Well, hi, this is Custom Works. I'm Clint Allen, and today we're going to be talking about common leaks and some uncommon leaks in the valley on the 7.3. Stick around. Well, thanks for sticking around through that. What we're covering today is the common leaks that happen in the valley of the 7.3. The heads are not covered in this. We're doing that in a separate video. Now, we've taken the time, in case you're not familiar with the 7.3 or you need to get refamiliarized if you're going to work on any of these items. And we're going to show each unit being pulled off the motor so you can see where the bolts are, where the location of everything is, to help you out when you need to do these repairs. So stick around. The Turbo 2 Pedestal O-rings. And next, the exhaust back pressure valve, which is located inside the turbo pedestal. And next, the turbo pedestal to the block O-rings. And next here we got the high pressure oil pump delivery lines. And next we got the high pressure oil pump rear case O-ring. And next is the IPR, which is connected to the high pressure oil pump and the rebuild kit. And next we have the high pressure oil pump and the rebuild kit for that unit. And next we have the high pressure oil pump reserve tank gasket. And next we have the one that catches a lot of people and they cannot figure out where it's leaking from, which is the front timing cover seals. And if you notice in the video where the high pressure oil pump is fed, that is where it leaks between the block and the timing cover. Well, this has been the most common leaks, and basically most of the leaks that are going to happen in the valley of your 7.3. We've given you the location, what the rebuild kits look like, and each part as they're pulling off the vehicle. Now in future videos, we're going to be showing piece by part how to rebuild, how to remove, how to reinstall. But this right here just gives you an idea in case you're having one of these leaks of what to look for. And I hope you learned something today, and you take it easy and you have a good day. You're still here yet? It's over. Oh, I know. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell, and that'll tell you when our next video comes up. Until then, go home. What the f*** are you doing?
It's supposed to be a